I guess it's time to do part two. Parte two. We'll see who shows up. You never know who is going to show up for these things. It's anybody's guess. But, Jilly Jill time. All right, let's see. This could go horribly, horribly wrong. But then that's the case every time. Let's try right. I want to go right there. Oh, oh, oh. Maybe it's not a good place. Maybe it is. Maybe it's the best place. Because it comes from a place of love. All right. Yeah, yeah, I think that'll work. So, we discussed this. These are the legs. Sexy legs. Legs. I just mounted on this base because, you know, makes it easier to handle. Let's see. I've been dying to use these things. I ended up not using this on the pod racer. I went with thicker ones, but you know, now I've got them, so maybe I'll use them on this one. You know, like for a spine, for instance. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I think we need to build this up a little bit. That might be a good start right there. I kind of feel like I might have to reinforce this a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. So, I don't know. Maybe put a little curve in here for that spine curvature. Let's see how this looks. A little S shape. Something like that. Maybe I shouldn't have drilled all the way down, but I think that'll be okay. Let's take a look at some of these beads we got here. It feels like a beady moment. Beady, beady, beady. Little something there for you 1980s TV show Buck Rogers. You remember that show? Yes, I realize that Buck Rogers existed prior to that, but not in my life. Just kidding. I actually knew about the other Buck Rogers before the 80s Buck Rogers came out. Oh, just kidding. I'm good. Yeah, it'll work. Sort of needs a stopper somewhere. Let's see. Something like this. And I can build up from that maybe. I think that slope needs to happen a little bit sooner. Truth be told, I'm not really sure how this is going to work. Maybe a little too slopey. Maybe the slope should be a little more gradual. Or maybe come forward a little bit first. Let's try that. I think I'm liking that a little bit better. There's a little bit of a stopping point. Oops. All right. Let's put a little glue in there. other direction. Oh. Come on, glue. It's going to be bending this way. I think we need some more baking soda, but we can get that later. Let's do the slip and slide with this one here. I have to grind some of this off. Hmm? What about there? Ah! Just kidding. No, I can't help it. Let's see. Pretty well centered. I want to give it like a kind of a neck area or something to mount the neck to. Yeah, I think that might be good. Oh, scary. Scary. Kids, don't do this at home. I can't stress that enough. Adults, hey, you're adults, man. You gotta cut your own apple pie, or I don't know. That's not real. That's not a real colloquialism. I think I just came up with that just now. Not a very good one either. You want some pie? You got to cut your own slice. How about that? I don't think you can live in Texas without having at least some sort of quirky colloquialist saying. It's practically a. So what I'm doing here is this is kind of giving me a. Yeah, I like this is all planned, but it's giving me a kind of a way to judge where I want the shoulders to go, to pivot. So, yeah, let's take a better look at that. See what I'm doing here? So I can kind of decide at this point how these shoulders are going to be. I think it was going like this in the picture, if you can picture it. So the arms kind of, the shoulder is this way, going this way. Let me see. Does that make sense? Maybe more sense? It's a little hard to tell in the camera, at least where I'm at, because there's like this kind of perspective, sort of optical illusion going on, where the stick looks like it's going this direction, but it's really going this direction. You're just gonna have to trust me, okay? You're just gonna have to trust me. But proportionately, I think we're doing all right. I think we're doing all right. That's where your artist skills come in, folks. Where you have to be an artist. You're gonna have to give me a sec, because I think I'm gonna get some more baking soda and put it in my little baking soda pill box. I'll be right back. That's right, I'm leaving the live stream. I know what you're thinking. Surely he'll cut this part out. Nope, not that kind of guy. What you see is what you get. So I ain't cutting nothing out. You're gonna get the real deal. That's right. If I make a mistake, you're gonna see every mistake. What's the point of doing it live if you like edit it afterwards, right? I mean, yes, I have done that before, but only to protect the names and faces of the innocent. Because, you know, that's a thing. All right. Let's sprinkle a little what they called in the 80s white lines. All right, here we go. Oh, that looks good. I think we're getting somewhere. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking real sharp. Now, wouldn't it be cool if I had this like crazy idea to also link some kind of other thing to strengthen the spine, like this, with like another piece. That would be cool. And that piece had other pieces attached to it. That would be super cool. You know, like a rib cage. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Fresh. Fortunately for you of the faint of heart, more drilling. Some of you are like, when will his luck run out? How can he keep doing it? Luck has nothing to do with it. Oh, it's just skill, hand-eye coordination, years of practice. Yes. All right. Maybe not so much on this one. Let's go this route. Okay, this one I'm trying to get kind of accurate because the way the ribs are going to come out. Oh, maybe I gave too much away. I might have just given too much away. There's no telling. Oops. What's this madness? What is it? Why does he do it? Okay. So let's see if some of you can figure out what's going on here. Why am I doing this? I gave a hint. If you guys, all you structural engineers out there, all you architects, all you sculptors, all you folks that like to work with mechanical things, maybe you might have figured out what I'm doing already. I don't know. I don't know how smart you are. I don't know how good you are reading the room. We'll see. We shall see. She sells sea saddles by the seashore. All right. I know. I'm scaring you. I'm scaring the children. Uh-oh. What's it? What? 2? What am I doing? Who knows what I'm doing? Yeah. I don't really liking that one as much. Maybe if I get this other side at kind of the same funky angle. Ah! Just kidding. Yeah, that's not gonna work. It needs to go straight through. Like a bullet train through a tunnel. Like a needle. Wait, is it the other? Like a thread through the eye of a needle. Can't put a needle through a thread. Well, I mean, if you took the thread and you unwound it in the middle a little bit, couldn't you technically? Oh, Someone's arrived. I don't know who you are, but if you came here for the potential of chaos, blood, and gore, and my phalanges being impaled by a rotating drill, you're in the right place. Yeah. Oh. Made it all the way through. There's a kind of catharsis to this. I don't know what problem I'm resolving with it, but it just is. I think 3 is enough. I think 3 is enough. So, how low do we want to go with this? Let's go that route and then bend it in there. I want it to be about right here. So we're going to have to, I don't want to waste anything. Yeah. Once again, I challenge you to know what I am doing. That's a challenge. I don't know who's watching. I don't know if you care. I don't know if you're still on. Nope, you left. You know, technically, there could be a bunch of people watching this right now, and I just don't even know it. You might be lurking. You might be lurkers. Lurking about. Doing your lurk. Lurker. Alright, let me see. Is that going to make it in there? Yep, it is. So we're going to bend that puppy in and then out again. Kind of a tricky predicament. Got my trusty needle nose. I don't know how much of this is actually going to come out. So in that way, we'll start bending it back here. And then we're going to start bending it back in about right here. Give it a cute little arch. And then we'll finish it right there. But Mr. Bots the Beasts, if that is your real name, how do you know it will work? How do you know? What chaos math have you concocted to give you the plans for your devastatingly good build? I don't know. I don't know what to say to that. I just don't know. I only know that I know. Deep in my heart of hearts. Because I'm an alien, I've got 2. Sorry, that one's just a little bit of a hard pill to swallow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look what I did there. Look what I did there. You don't know what I did there. Some of you do, though. Some of you do. You know what I'm doing. You know what I'm up to. You know me. I don't know if I know myself, though. Here. Am I tempting the fates by bending this too much? I don't know. It's looking pretty good, though. All right, so let's twist these out to the area I wanted to twist them out to. There we go. Let's get those puppies glued down before something happens. I'm making all this effort for this, for these, and you're you're probably not even gonna see half of this. But hey, if there is, I'll know it's there, and you'll know it's there. You will. I'm doing this for you. Remember that. Remember, you asked for this. You did. You didn't ask for this, did you? You really didn't. But that's okay. I asked for you. Oh no. Oh no. It came apart. That's okay. It's all right. I'll tell you why it came apart because I didn't use the glue. It was we'll call it a test fit. I meant to do that. I meant for it to come apart. You see? Yeah. It was all part of my plan. Yeah, my plan to make things come apart. It was a test fit. Yeah. So we're gonna hook that puppy in there, right as rain, and then, ah, the chaos, the calamity. That's all right. I got it under control, kids. Honestly, if there's kids watching this, hey, I put the thing that said it wasn't for people that were under a certain age, so that you gotta blame your parents for that one. So if I suddenly curse or do something that's not kid friendly, yeah, go complain to your mommy and daddy. Mommy, daddy, the man on the YouTube said you weren't good parents. Is that true? No, Timmy. It's all a lie. Don't believe everything you hear on YouTube. I don't know. I don't know. I may have said this before, but you can trust me. You can trust me. Where am I? Am I here? Am I there? Up there? Over here? I think I'm over here. Hi. All right. I think we made some progress. I think some progress has definitely been made. I'm gonna glue these in place before I change my mind or break it or something like a brick-a-brack a bricker. Hey, shout out to brick-a-brack because I said brick-a-bracker. What's a brick-a-bracker? It's true though. None of this is going to matter because none of this is going to be visible. But like I said, you'll know it's there. I'll know it's there. It matters to me. You matter to me. You light up my life. You give me strength to carry on. Yes, I will occasionally burst into song because I'm human. Humans do that. Oh, that almost sounded like Nick Cage there for a second. Maybe my real name is Nick Cage. Maybe I'm not even. Maybe I'm not really the guy you think I am. Maybe. No, I'm not Nick Cage. All you Nick Cage fans, chill out. Calm down. It's not me. I mean, it's not him. It's not him. He's a really good actor. And he's good at acting and making things seem like they're supposed to be there when they're not. Give me the bunny. Come on now. Let me hear it. Oh no. That's not what I wanted at all. I got to. Well, I think it's gonna be good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be good enough. Like I said, no one's gonna see this. No one has to know I made a mistake. Oh, if I keep bending this, it's gonna go. Maybe not. Spines are meant to bend. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I kind of gotta glue these in place. Okay. What do you think? How's that looking? Do you see what I'm doing here? You see what I'm doing here now?
Yeah, see? I know it doesn't look very well. My finger's glued to the camera.
Oh my God. That was my Christmas story moment. Thank God that wasn't my tongue on a frozen pole. That would have. Oh my goodness. There's going to be a piece of skin stuck to my camera tripod for forever now. It's okay. It's all right. It's just skin. Grows. Grows. Grows off of you. Grows on you. It peels. Gets sunburned. Develops melanoma. Sends you to. Well, let's not go there. But if you hear a little scratchy sound, that's me scraping skin off. Yeah, thumb skin. Was it Rumple Thumbskin? Yeah, that was funny. All right. So anyway, yeah, where were we? So, lady. So yeah, it's definitely got a to me anyway, a fairly, I won't say feminine, we'll say humanoid. It's kind of, it's kind of feminine. I know this part looks taller, but it's an optical illusion. Look at that. See, now you can see it. Look at that. She's not a supermodel, but she's damn close. What is a supermodel anyway? Cindy Crawford. Cindy. I'm old school. I'm a Cindy Crawford, Linda Evangelista. You know, Helena Christensen. I was never. I mean, she's all right. She's all right. But Naomi Campbell. Why am I on a supermodel tangent from the '80s? Something happened. Oh, because this looks so freaking like '80s, right? Am I right? Is it too long? I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say there you go. You see that? I think that's pretty proportionate. I just think, it's the camera. It does this optical thing. I think, yeah. Trust me, it's gonna look great when it's done. Trust me. I know. It's hard to trust someone who won't show you their face. But I show you my hands. These hands. The hands of a creator. Getting real hot in here. But I think we're making some progress. So, oh, damn. I just realized something. I'm gonna add something over here, and that's gonna make this way too wide. I mean, look. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's try to find some that are a little bit better size. A little closer. I don't want to have giant football man shoulders. Maybe these are too big too, but these are gonna have to be cut down. It's gonna have to be cut down. I'm gonna have to do that miracle work stuff that I did with the hips. Here, let's prop this up. Crack. There's probably a way around this. Oh, I could use one of those. Yeah? I think so too. I know you'd agree with me.
Oh, I'm not crazy. You're the one that's crazy.
You almost saw me. You almost saw me there. You almost saw my face. I'm gonna edit it out. If you did catch my face, you're lucky. But I don't think there's anybody on, so I'll have deleted it by then. Yeah, these are the shoulders right here. These are my babies. I'm gonna put that there. I think this is good enough. I think we're at a good stopping point. It's late. Got to work tomorrow. It's been about 40 minutes. 40 minutes to do this. 40. Because I'm taking my time. Because you're special. You mean something. I'm doing this for you because you're special.
Not like those. Those there. Not special. You. This. Us. Special.
All right, see you later. Gotta go. Bye. We'll do part 3 maybe tomorrow. There's really no timeline on this one. This is kind of like this is a passion project. We'll call it that. Yeah. All right. Bye bye.